Alright, so I just got my box from Influencers. Thank you. So for this month's campaign, it's the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipsticks in the shade Interview, which is described as a peachy nude, and Joyride, which is more of a dusty red, and it's a cool tone color. So it's these two matte lipsticks that is properly wrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and start my face because she is looking a little too natural at the moment, and she's trying to look like a snack. You feel me? So yeah. So I just quickly installed, I installed my hair, fixed it down, did a little two braids, and with the little curls, you feel me, a little bit of curls. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and try to look like a person and let you guys know how I like the lipstick. So stay tuned,
Cause now I'm cute. Coming out of school. I don't go to school. You hear me in a booth. Hey, look at this scarf. Baby, it's only $20. I like it's $13 online. With these bundles in the back. And then lips for looking snatched. Baby girl, what's your name? Tell you
it's the game. Alright, y'all. One thing I'm gonna tell y'all is stop waiting. Just do what you gotta do. Okay. Alright, so I'm back with my face like semi-finished. I use everything that come on my face. I'll leave the information below. She look cute. So I just lined my lips with my MAC Chestnut, and these are the two Huda Beauty Power Bullet matte lipsticks. So I'm gonna take these out the packaging. Like, this is fresh. I don't even know how the hell it look like. So I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. Trying to open it. Okay. It's cute. It's nicely packaged. I like that it's the same size as the packaging. Like, I could still throw this in my pocket, put it in my pants, and you could clearly see the color difference. This is more of a cooler shade, and this is more of a peachier warm tone. Yep, if I'm not mistaken, and yes, it is. So this one to my right is the Joyride, and this one to my left is the Interview shade. So this is how it is. You pull it out, and this is the amount of lipstick for $25. I think it's a steal. It is a beautiful matte color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on my hand. It looks really nice. And I was leaning towards Joyride anyway. And this is Interview. Interview is described as a confident peachy nude, and it is best as a warm shade. So it's like similar in color. Like, but you can see this is more of a cool tone and this is more warmer. So yeah, I really don't know what color to use. I'm gonna low-key use Joyride, and tomorrow I'll try out the Interview shade. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. So this is how it looks. This is Interview, and this is Joyride. So I already went ahead and lined my lips. All I'm gonna do is fill in the center of my lips with this, and let's see how it works, This thing is matte. It's a nice color. It's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and probably fill up the top more. Okay, what I like to do, especially when I have like pinks, like nudes like this, I go ahead and take my pencil and try to clean it up a bit. Look, I didn't get another pencil, but I play with my lips like that. So it's the color. It looks cute. I like it. Some weird way I like it. It's like a nice, cute nude. Yeah. What I probably could have done too is probably use the interview as like a out. Let me see. No, I can't mix these two. I'm like looking at it in my hand. But it is super matte. It's matte once you apply it onto your lips. And it's like matte on the actual one. So as described, I'm reading off of this paper. It's a highly pigmented lipstick that delivers unparalleled color payoff in a smooth, silky, plush matte formula, which is true. It felt super soft as I applied it on my lips. It is combined with unrivaled pigmentation with superior comfort, both warm and cool hues to design the designed to be flatter on all skin types, which I strongly believe, because at first I'm like, baby, I don't know what type of color you're about to give me, but I like that it complements my lip. And my lip doesn't feel dry at all, surprisingly, because normally when I put like matte lipsticks on, like it feels super dry on my lips. So I'm like happy that it doesn't. It says to, when you're applying it, it says to use the bullet pointed tip to contour and create the lines. So the way that it's structured, this tip point, if you were just to use it to outline your lip first, use that point first to outline and contour your lip. I didn't have to do that because I don't too much care to use this as just the color by itself. It's not like the perfect nude for me in my context, because I look for more of a brown nude versus a dusty rose. Anything with like a pink undertone for a nude for me, because no, I like chocolate, okay? And then it says to fill it in with the flat base, which is this portion right here. You're gonna apply it and then build up to the desired impact. So this color is by far buildable. So you could go and shop on Instagram for this lipstick, or even on the Sephora website, or even if you want to go to the Sephora store. And you, ooh, I like, look, close it. It's magnetic. So yeah, you could go and what the heck is wrong with me? You could go ahead and shop for the Power Bullet Matte Lipstick from Huda Beauty on Instagram, which is at Huda Beauty, and I'll put that below. Also, shop Huda Beauty. That's another Instagram that they have. Or you can also shop on Sephora. Girl, and use your points. Girl, calculate them points. If you are a VIB, I'm a VIB Rouge. Put that thing on below, because who doesn't like shopping for makeup? You get free makeup and you still buy a whole bunch of makeup. I blame most of the YouTubers, but it's okay. But yeah, I really like this. I would definitely recommend this to a friend, coworker, whatever. Even buy this as a gift. It's really nice. Yeah, my lips still does not feel dry. I'm really rambling to see if my lips gonna feel really dry. So yeah, it's currently like springtime, and my heat bumps are popping up again, but okay, it's fine. So yeah, so I hope you guys like what you see, and yeah, I like it. I look cute. This looks like Candid, like really simple, cute. I want to put lashes on. I'm about to put lashes on. I'll be right back. Okay, stay tuned. All right. I'll see y'all in a bit. Stop. Alright, y'all, so this is the finished look. I currently have on the shade Joyride on my lip. And these are the swatches. So to the one that, what is this? When it's flipped. To your right? To your left. To the left is the Joyride shade. And to the right is the Interview, which is a peachy nude. and this is she. I just did one layer because I'm not into like pinks and stuff, so bear with me. She's getting ready. But yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna try on the interview shade and see how I like it. But so far so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was really what's that word? Helpful, resourceful. So you could go down below and go to Sephora.com or shop or follow their Instagram on Huda Beauty or at Shop Huda Beauty to get yourself a Power Bullet matte lipstick. Alright, so here. Alright, y'all, so I currently have on the shade Joyride on my lip. This filter is not assisting with how beautiful it is. However, I am going to drop a video. So on my hand, I have swatched to your right, which is this one right here. This shade is the peach shade, which is called Interview. And then to your left is the Joyride shade, which is described as a cool dusty rose color, which is on my lip right now. So hope you guys enjoy. Thank you so much, influencers. I like y'all, so I'll see you guys. Let me know if y'all want to know more about makeup, because she does not know what else to talk about. And I'm just trying to get my life together. So yeah, thank you guys. If you're trying to figure out why did I even do a close-up, just holla at your girl. You feel me? Follow me. Stop acting. Let me stop. But influencers, thank you so much. You guys have provided me with the Huda Beauty Power Bullet Matte Lipstick in both the shades Joyride and Interview. Right now I'm wearing the shade Joyride, which is described as a cool tone dusty rose color, and I have it swatched on my hand, which is to your left, well, my left, and it's a dusty rose color, and then to my right is a warm peach color, which is called Interview. So yeah, if you guys like to have more information, just comment and let me know below. Oh yeah, and it retails for $25, so go to Sephora now. Alright y'all, so this is the fake finish look. I'm gonna throw some hoops on and call it a day. Look. Oh, excuse me, I had a burp. But yeah, this is the El Finito look. She's cute. She's looking like a 10. She's liking this nude because it's setting in really perfectly. Like, I look like a whole snack. I look like a whole snack. Like, hey girl, I'm rocking your world. But yeah.